Alright everybody, welcome back to the shop, and I have decided to replace this back panel. This is the old bed I drug back from the pasture. I tried to straighten this out, but it's just never going to be right. It's just got too many bends in it. Both sides is kind of messed up. So I thought what I'd do is try to get it off this bed, the old bed first, see what kind of job it's going to be, and then I'll get it off this one and swap it out. It's got two alignment holes here, so shouldn't be no issue to get it back lined up like it's supposed to be. Just put a couple of small bolts in there. So I've been working on it, and my battery run out, so I had to go get another battery. Yeah, I remember to grab my camera. So about halfway done, we're cutting the spot welds out. Some of these has got two. It appears that some of them's only got one. Some of them don't have any. Like right here where these squares are, I didn't see any here. I don't see any over there. And well, most of them's got two. Well, I missed. Well, I ain't really got that far, but I've got it broke down all the way to here. So I'm about halfway. I think this the halfway point's right here. It may be done. Got one more to do right there. I'm not going to subject y'all to watching me do all this. It's just a matter of what I'm having to do, and my drill bit's a little big for the job. But I'm taking a drill bit. The reason I'm using it is because it's good and sharp, and I'm getting I'm not trying to drill all the way through. I'm trying to drill enough where this little pin will stay put. Like I said, the drill bit's a little big, so it wants to wobble. But it's been working so far. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting these. I like what about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 more, 16, 17 more. About 17 more spot welds to cut out, and I'll bring you back. Alright, I think I'm down to the last spot weld, and these batteries have been just quitting on me. These lithium ions, when they get where they don't want to go no more, they don't just die. They don't just slow down. They quit. So I like one more right here. I think I've charged this battery a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. And looks like I might have one run right here. There it is. That's what it is. It's all spot welds. I did manage to cut through one of them. I'll have to weld that up before I can tag it back. But we'll grind these spot welds down and work on a little bit. And I think there's a little bit of a bend on that end down there, but I think I can get that straightened out without too much issues. But I know it's windy, so I'm going to cut you off and I'll bring you back. Alright, so I've been working on getting this one off, and I think I about got them, except for I think it might be one. Oh, I think I might still like one here. I think there's one right here that I hadn't drilled, and I got to get this one. And I can't really tell if there's another one there. As you can see, we're definitely below right here. There ain't nothing there. I think there's one right there. I can kind of make out a little circle. It's hard to see. Normally they're a little bit indented, so when you just scratch them up a little bit, you'll see it real easy. I think that this one here ain't quite broke. And like I said, I think I like that one like right there. And there was none in here with the squares on either side. And I've got this one free all the way down to there. So I'm thinking I just got that one more right here. And maybe this one ain't holding nothing. This one wouldn't one. I have noticed there's a few drill holes in this bed. There's one. It's going to have to be touched up. I don't know why there would be holes there. Somebody was drilling something and drilled through. Alright, I got the off, and it wasn't where I thought it was. I reckon it was just one that hadn't turned loose good. I drilled into one here, it wasn't there, wasn't one here. It was somewhere up in here. I think it was this one. And this one didn't quite have as many spot welds as that other trailer, I don't believe. But still had plenty. Another trailer above the bed floor. Still had plenty. So what I've got, I don't know if y'all can see. It's hard to get the whole shot in here. Let me put you to the side over here. I got some maybe you can see. Alright, so what I did, I went and got me some bolts. These quite as big as they need to be. They could stand to be a little bigger. I'm going to put one on this end and one on that end. It's going to be a trick to open this thing up, get these bolts started, I'll tell you that. Yep, trick. This really could stand two people. I was real careful on this one not to bend this edge when I was trying to pry up on it, because I did it on that other one. So I was going to be real careful not to try to damage that. So I'm going to tighten these two bolts up. That ought to align it basically where it needs to be. And I can see that some of these spot holes were in the same spot, some of them wouldn't. Alright, so I'm back to using the old handy MIG with the flux core wire in it. And I haven't used this welder in quite a long time. I guess it was early last year when I replaced it with the Hobart. It's still wanting to give a little bit of trouble feeding. I did buy a new, what you call it for it, liner, and I just ain't never put it in. So I've got it clamped down. Right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get on here and these two. Then I'm going to move this clamp down and get that one and just keep moving down until I get all the way down to the other end. And I'm not going to show you everything, I just want to show you the beginning. The reason being I'd have to either fast forward or edit it out. I mean, it's just it's going to take some time, and I don't know how good this thing's going to do. We'll see. That's what I think. It's like a little closer to it, maybe it'll be some bad. I'll just hook it on this right here. Down here where it's really. I mean, forgot how bad the old flux core smelled. I still got to grind a little more of that off. There's some big old holes I cut out. I wish I hadn't cut them that big. This is fucking pathetic. Pathetic. say this is a big old fail right here, y'all. Big old damn fail. I'm about ready to throw this damn thing in the trash. So, wind or no wind, it ain't windy right now. We're gonna grab that hose off. And we're gonna get this thing welded up. And that looks like holy damn shit. Still looks like shit. I do some filling. These holes are so big. I'm gonna pump up the speed. That looks a little better. Getting a little better. Alright, everybody, several hours later, and I've got it all welded and ground down. I don't think it turned out too bad. It's gonna look pretty good once I'm gonna shoot it with some etching primer, let it dry overnight, and then we'll just leave it until we get ready to hang the bedsides on there. I'm gonna go ahead and probably sand this back panel there with some 80 grit, take all that rust off and prime it. But today it's 5:30 in the afternoon, and I think I'm gonna hook to the rake and go to raking some hay. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you can.